Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Instagram API key in 2024. So today we're exploring how to gain access to the Instagram Graph API, which allows you, of course, to integrate your application with Instagram platform, whether you are building some tools for social media management, analyzing Instagram data, or creating some engaging experiences. Access to the Instagram Graph API is essential. So in this tutorial, we will show you, of course, we'll guide you through the process of getting access to this API. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, you need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Then you'll have to go and create a Facebook developer account. So just go to this URL section and type like developer or developers.facebook.com. Of course, Facebook and Instagram is the same on Meta, so don't worry, it's the same. So here you'll find yourself right here. So as you can see, we would like, of course, to know about Instagram. So I'll just go here and click on learn more. Of course, I want this normally I'll just click on here and learn more. And on Instagram, as you can see, Instagram platform build solutions to enhance the Instagram experience for people, businesses, and creators. API leverage Instagram collections of API endpoints to create tools and services for the Instagram community, and of course, sharing. Tap into like the power of stories to and feed to make it easy for people to share their best moments from your app, of course, to Instagram. And here's some of the latest Instagram developer news. If you want to read more about Instagram marketing resources, developer documentations, if you want to learn more about this, etc. For me, I'll just go here to API and click on learn more. And as you can see, whether you're creating an app for your customers or a custom solution for yourself, our APIs let you manage their Instagram experience in powerful ways. You'll get Instagram or you'll have access to Instagram Graph API. What does it do? Instagram Graph API enables businesses and creators to manage their presence on Instagram from your app, build unique services that allows your customers to reply to comment on their posts, analyze their insights, conduct research with hashtags and more. Who is it for? Instagram professional owners of Instagram business and creator accounts. So get started. You'll be able to start building or learn more about it. Instagram Basic Display API. What does it do? Instagram Basic Display API enables your app to let people import their media from Instagram, connects their Instagram profiles, and more. Who is it for? Anyone on Instagram, owners of Instagram personal businesses, Instagram personal businesses, and creator accounts. So you'll be able to do that also. So for businesses, of course, or for this Instagram graph, you'll be able to access that. Make sure to read out depending on whatever you want. And of course, they will show you here on this article exactly how to get your API for Instagram businesses. For the personal use, as example, for this one, as example, basic display API. The API can be used to access the type of Instagram account. Of course, all of that you would like to have an Instagram account. If you don't have an Instagram account, you'll not be able to do anything. As an example, so make sure to have an Instagram account first of all, and of course you can then try to access. As example, if you go here next to your account, example, click on settings, and maybe you're looking for API. I don't think you'll find it there in settings, so make sure to follow this article right here. So as you can see, the API can be used to access any type of Instagram account, but only provides read access to basic data. If you are building an app that will allow Instagram businesses or creators publish data, identify, mention hashtag media, or get data about Instagram, and you can use the Instagram Graph API instead. For me, I'll just do that. Of course, for you, you can go with the Instagram API graph. You'll be able to go through this article and see how you can simply go and get yours API. For me here, as example on this, so common users get Instagram users token and permissions, and from an Instagram user gets Instagram profile and gets Instagram images and videos, etc. So for limitations, as you can see, you'll be able to see authentication limitations, app types, legacy ID, supported media, promoted posts, and insights. So you can see also about Instagram Graph API. So as you can see in here, Instagram Basic Display is not an authentication solution. Data returned by API cannot be used to authenticate your app users or log them into. If you need authentication solutions, we recommend using Facebook login instead. For app types, as an example, you'll need apps design as business apps, etc. So as you can see, a lot of things that you'll be able to read. If you want to know more about API, So of course, for me, I'll just go to Meta for developers, make sure to go and click on get started to, of course, so we can have or log in into an account or create an account if we don't have one yet. So of course, I'll just click on continue here. And of course, you'll have to add your phone number. So I'll just go and add mine and then come back to you. Once you enter the code that's sent you, as you can see, you'll have to enter your contact info. Of course, if you agree to receive marketing emails, etc., make sure to check this option. And for me, as example, I don't want that. So I'll just go here and do that. And as you can see, which following describe your business as example, I'll just do maybe as example, students, click on complete registration. Once I do so, I'll be taken here. So as you can see, I'll be able to create an app. Once I click on create an app, go here. So an example, just choose maybe others example, click on next. And after that, I don't know, maybe academic search. I'll just do random things here. I'll just name it test, click on create an app. And as you can see, the password. So I'll just go here and enter that password, click on submit. And once I do so, normally, so let me just wait for it until it load. Should not take a lot of time. And here, as you can see, of course, you'll be able to configure like everything about like the data access, like everything as example, you'll be able to go through that. For example, if we go here to app settings, if we go to basics as example, we'll be able to configure that however we want. Example, we'll be able even to connect to your VPN example if you have one and change everything that you want. Click on save changes. You can even add the logo if you want to. Add example informations here about the data protection office contact informations and etc. And of course, then you can navigate into dashboard here. So once we go into dashboard example, we'll be able to just finish this example, verify your identity, verify your relationship with the institution, and complete your researcher's profile example. Once you fill up all of those options, you'll be able to add a product. What do you want to have? Like is as example, I don't know what's you're looking for API exactly why. So once you fill up all those informations, you'll have to choose the app that you want to go with. Then you'll find and create a new app. You'll have to give it a name, give it the name, and of course, you will be redirected to the basic. Just then, of course, you'll be able to choose the app. Once you choose the app, you'll be able to fill up all the other informations. Once you save the changes, you'll be able to create your API key. Once you create your API key, there you have it. You successfully have it, and you'll be able to use it wherever you want. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.